Get ready for the shortest week ever. I pretty much just fixed my rain gutter, go to the symphony, and watch the Super Bowl with Mike. Let's get to it. This winter we had a bunch of really bad wind that kept blowing this particular rain gutter off by my garbage cans by the garage. So I finally got around to getting some proper brackets and secured those brackets with some masonry screws to my house and got the rain gutter properly fixed. I'm happy with how it turned out. Nothing fancy here. Should be good to go. On Friday, I probably shouldn't have left the house, but my bandmate had extra tickets to the Colorado Symphony's Symphonie Fantastique by Berlioz, and if you haven't seen it, oh my god, it is unbelievable. 4 timpanists all at the same time, 4 people playing those 2 giant bass drums. It is epic. Saturday mornings are now reserved for long runs with Joe and Tyler, and even though it was snowy, we cranked one out. It was an absolutely beautiful morning. I picked up Mike and we went out to my friends Dan and Megan out in Brush, and they had the game up on their big theater screen downstairs, and I actually got some really good ideas from Dan, who's sitting in the back there, the number 54, about screens and projection sizes.